Welcome to the another video of linear equations in one variable. In previous video we solved question number 3 and 4. Now in today's video we will start our video with question number 5. So let's read the question. So what is the question? Question is two numbers are in the ratio 5 and 3. So here what is the ratio? Okay, you might studied what is ratio in earlier classes, but here I am recalling again what is ratio. So a ratio is the quantitative relation between two amounts showing the number of times one value contains or is contained within the other. Okay, in simple language, in mathematics, a ratio shows how many times one number contains another. Okay, it means that ratio between 4 and 8. So this 8 is 2 times of 4. Okay, 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So this 8 is 2 times of 4. It is the ratio. As example, if there are 8 oranges and 6 lemons in a bowl of fruit, then the ratio of oranges and 6 oranges to lemons is 8 to 6. What I said? Okay, if there are one bucket, in bucket there are 8 oranges and 6 lemons, then ratio of oranges and lemon is 8 by 6. If we factorize this 8 and 6, then we have 2 into 4 and 2 into 3. So this 2 cancel out, then 4, 3. So now the ratio of oranges and lemons in bucket, it is 4 jam 3. So this is the ratio. Ratio means relation between two quantity. Okay, here quantities are number of oranges and number of lemons. So okay, so ratio shows that one number is how many times of another. Okay, how many times of another. Here 8 is 2 times of 4. So this is the ratio. Okay, ratio between 4 and 8 is 1 jam 2. So in our question we have ratio of two numbers is 5 jam 3. So let's write that we have two numbers and two numbers are in the ratio 5 jam 3. Let two numbers are in the ratio 5 jam 3. It means here what we saw that 8 is 2 times of 4. Okay, it means 8 can be written as 2 times of 4. It means 2 into 4. So let assume that we have two numbers. So let one number. Okay, this ratio can be written as 5x by 3x, and here x is common multiplier. Okay, common divisor. Okay, so this is our first number and this is our second number. So one number is equal to 5x and second number is, or other number is 3x. If you take ratio of this 2, then again we will have 5 and 3. So whenever you will be given that this is the ratio of two numbers or ratio of this two quantities, then simply you have to multiply x with that quantities. Okay, here we have numbers. Okay, we have ratio of numbers, then we multiply x with this and x with this, then this our first is first number and this 3x is second number. So now we have two numbers, 5x and 3x. Okay, so this is the condition for creation of variable. Now another is if they differ by 18. If it means difference between this two number is 18. If you have two numbers 6 and 4, so what is the difference between 6 and 4? 2. Simply what you do, you simply subtract 4 from 6, then you have 2. So 2 is the difference. So let's write that they differ, these two number differ by 18. So what we will write that, which two number we have? This 5x and 3x. So we write 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. This 18 is difference between these two. So how we count difference between any two numbers? By subtracting them. Okay, 5x minus 3x is 18. So what we have to find? We have to find what are the numbers. So we created variables, we have created equation. Now we will solve it. So let's see. Here we have two terms and both the terms have same variable xx. So we can do addition or subtraction of coefficients. So here 5 and 3, and in between there is subtraction. So we subtract this 3 from 5. So we have 2x is equal to 18. Now we want this x. So we transpose this 2. So here 2 is in multiplication. After transposing, this 2 will come at denominator. Now x is, if we factorize this 18, then we have, if we factorize this 18 in such a way that this denominator, this 2 will be cancelled out. Okay, so we factorize 18 as 2 into 9. Okay, so 2 cancel. So here x is 9. Now this is not our answer. We have to find this two number. So we simply put value of x here and we will have first number and second number. Okay, first number. Okay, so write first number is equal to 5x. Put x in, put 9 instead of x. So 5 into 9, 45. And second number is 3x. Put 9 instead of x because we have value of x is equal to 9. So 3 into 9, 27. So these are the number. If you want to cross check your answer, then subtract 27 from 45 because we have difference between them, and definitely you will have 18 if you subtract 27 from 45. So this is the solution of question number 5. Let's read question number 6. 6 is 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. So what does mean by 3 consecutive integers? 3 consecutive integers means one after one. It means, as example, 4, 5, 6, because 5 is always next to 4, 6 is always next to 5. So this 4, 5, 6 is consecutive. Okay, so for that, and these 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. So what are these integers? So we will be asked that what are the integers. So we assume that first. Okay, so let assume that first integer is equal to x, and I gave example of consecutive integer in 3 integers is 4, 5, 6. So you can see difference between 4 and 5, 5 and 6 is 1. So remember, any consecutive numbers have difference 1. Okay, here integers, no any number. In only whole numbers, integers and natural numbers. In these three any consecutive numbers have difference 1. Okay, so here first integer is x. So what is second integer? Second integer is x plus 1, because if you have 4, then what is the number after 4? 5. Okay, simply we add 1 into 4. Okay, so first integer is x, second integer is equal to x plus 1, and third integer is equal to x plus 2. Now what we have, these three add up to 51. It means addition of these three is 51. So let's write x plus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 51. 1 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, we can add terms only which have same variable, x. So we add their coefficient, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3x plus 1 plus 2 3, 51. Let's transpose this constant term, 51 minus 3. So subtract 3 from 51. So 51 cancels out, 50, 49. So we have 48. Transpose this 3, 48 by 3, it is 16. So what is assumed as x? First integer. So let write that first integer x is equal to 16. Second integer x plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1 is equal to 17, and third integer is equal to x plus 2 equal to 16 plus 2 18. So 16, 17 and 18 are consecutive integers that add up to 51. So this is the question number 6. Now next video we will solve question number 7 and 8. So stay tuned for chapter number 2.